Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.20. Calculate the wavelength of an electron moving with a velocity of 2.05 into 10 raised to the power 7 m per second. Given. Velocity equals 2.05 into 10 raised to the power 7 per second. Mass equals 9.1 into 10 raised to the power 34 kg. Solution. According to de Broglie equation, lambda equals h divided by mass into velocity. Substituting the value, lambda is equal to 6.626 times 10 raised to the power minus 34 divided by 2.05 into 10 raised to the power 7 into 9.1 into 10 raised to the power 34 kg. After calculation, lambda equals 3.55 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 meter. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.